1989 Ford F250 7.3 IDI 4x4 truck, $5,500, East Port Orchard, Washington. This 1989 Ford F250 is a durable workhorse powered by the legendary 7.3-liter IDI diesel engine mated to a 4x4 drivetrain. With an odometer reading of 192,400 miles, it has served well but remains mechanically strong. This XLT Lariat model features an extended cab, 8-foot bed with liner, hydraulic liftgate, aftermarket wheels with off-road tires, and modern upgrades such as a Bluetooth stereo and LED headlights. Recent maintenance includes a new water pump, fuel pump, U-joints, batteries, and a brake system flush. Notably, the paint is in rough condition, and the liftgate requires hydraulic adjustments, making it an ideal project truck or rugged daily driver. 2. 1970 Ford Ranger F100, $4,800, Santa Fe, New Mexico. A classic from the golden era of pickups. This 1970 Ford Ranger F100 Custom with a long bed offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts. Powered by a gas engine and equipped with a manual transmission, this truck is a blank slate for restoration or customization. Its clean title ensures peace of mind, and its timeless design makes it an attractive investment for any classic truck collector. Master 3, 1981 GMC Sierra Grande C10, $4,000, Whitman, Arizona. This 1981 GMC Sierra Grande C10 combines originality and functionality. Featuring a 305 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 150,000 miles on the odometer, it runs decently and retains its original paint. Recent upgrades include a Record radiator, new brake components, and an updated carburetor. However, it does require rear brake adjustments and attention to an exhaust leak. With a long bed and trailer hitch, this truck offers practical utility and a solid foundation for restoration. 4. 1976 GMC K15 Sierra, $4,900, New River, Arizona. This highly optioned 1976 GMC K15 Sierra 4-body is a factory original gem, featuring a 350 V8 engine, turbo-hydromatic transmission, and long bed. Factory features include air conditioning, a locking differential, and skid plates. Though not currently running and in need of rust repair, it retains its original paint and a notarized clean title. This is a rare find for a restoration enthusiast looking to preserve a piece of GMC history. Five, 1979 Chevrolet C10, 3800 Bakersfield, California. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 offers affordability and classic charm. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it has an estimated 120,000 miles on a broken odometer. While the truck runs and drives, its condition is rated fair, making it a straightforward project for someone seeking a budget-friendly entry into classic trucks. 6. 1987 Ford Ranger XLT 4x4, $8,500, Glendale, Arizona. With just 62,000 original miles, this 1987 Ford Ranger XLT 4x4 is a rare gem. Always garage kept, it boasts an immaculate interior, cold air conditioning, and a heater in working order. The truck's history as a towed RV companion ensures minimal drivetrain wear. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, this Ranger is in excellent vehicle condition and ready for its next adventure. 7. 1988 Ford F250 4x4, $2,500 Hermiston, Oregon. This 1988 Ford F250 features a big block 460 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 4 WD capability. It runs sporadically, suggesting a fuel or electrical issue, but offers great potential with its solid drivetrain. The fair condition reflects its age, but for someone willing to invest time in repairs, this truck could become a reliable workhorse. 8. 1984 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $8,700, Moreno Valley, California. This 1984 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed is a standout, equipped with a powerful 454 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Featuring a salvage title due to minor damage, the truck boasts numerous new components, including a seat, dash, tires, and exhaust system. With no rust and a lower stance, it is already drivable and represents an appreciating asset in the world of classic trucks. 9. 1989 Toyota Pickup, $3,800, Wenatchee, Washington. Powered by the highly regarded 22RE engine, this 1989 Toyota Pickup with an automatic transmission has covered 268,000 miles. Despite its dings and dents, it runs and drives well, making it a reliable daily driver or project vehicle. Its extra cab and clean title enhance its practicality and desirability. 10. 1986 Ford E350 Dreamer conversion, $1,900, Snohomish, Washington. A rare piece of customization history, this 1986 Ford E350 Dreamer conversion van truck was a high-end tow vehicle of its time. Featuring a 460 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and numerous luxury features, it has not run in years and requires brake work, a fuel refresh, and a drive shaft extension. Offered without a title, it presents a unique restoration challenge for collectors. 10. 11. 1979 GMC C15 Royal Sierra, $9,250, Cottage Grove, Oregon. One of only 500 ever produced, this 1979 GMC C15 Royal Sierra is a collector's dream. With its original Royal Sierra badge and numerous new components, including a rebuilt transmission, this truck runs, drives, and stops as it should. It includes the original owner's manual and build sheet, offering a rare opportunity to own a piece of GM's promotional history at a reasonable price. $12. 1977 Ford F250, $5,500, Selma, Oregon. This nearly original 1977 Ford F250 is powered by a strong-running V8 engine and automatic transmission. With less than 75,000 miles, it represents a solid foundation for restoration. While it requires a new battery, tire repair, and some body work, its clean title and largely original condition make it an excellent candidate for a classic truck enthusiast.